Goodman Error Code E6 signals an indoor fan motor lockout. This means the blower motor responsible for circulating air has failed to start or is locked, preventing proper airflow. This error is common in Goodman air conditioners, heat pumps, and furnaces. The unit's control board detects this failure because the fan motor doesn't spin within 30 to 60 seconds of startup. The lockout triggers to prevent compressor damage from overheating due to lack of airflow. Common causes include mechanical blockages like dirty filters or debris in the blower wheel, electrical issues such as a failed capacitor or loose wiring, and motor failure due to burnt windings or corrosion. The integration of smart controls in newer Goodman units often flags this error via connected thermostats or apps, offering real-time alerts. To fix the E6 error, start with safety and inspection. First, completely power off the unit to avoid electrical hazards. Then, inspect for obvious issues such as dirty or clogged filters that could restrict airflow. Next, clean or replace the filters. Dirty filters are a common cause of motor lockouts. Remove the filters, wash reusable ones with water, or replace disposable ones. Ensure proper airflow to the indoor fan motor. If the issue persists after cleaning, perform a manual reset. Turn off the unit. Wait about 30 seconds for capacitors to discharge, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary faults. For deeper troubleshooting, use a multimeter. Test the motor windings for continuity. Resistance should be between 5 and 20 ohms. Check the capacitor for proper charge without leakage. A failed capacitor is often the culprit and is inexpensive to replace. If diagnostics reveal a faulty motor, replacement is necessary. Motors are more expensive but critical. Capacitors are simple to replace and cost under $20. Always ensure compatible parts. Technicians today use advanced AI diagnostic apps. These scan QR codes on units for model-specific troubleshooting guides and can predict issues based on data. To prevent E6 errors, perform regular maintenance. Clean or replace filters monthly and have capacitors inspected annually by a professional. If you're not comfortable with these steps or the problem continues, always consult a certified HVAC technician to avoid safety risks or warranty issues.